During this short how-to video on how to analyze images using quick quantification in Genesis image capture software, you'll be shown how to 1. How to analyze an image in the quick quantification screen, 2. Background subtraction, 3. How to add known quantities, and 4. How to export as a report and save images. Quick quantification in Genesis is a new feature allowing users to manually draw outlines whose contents are subsequently analysed and signal intensity is calculated. Aside from simple estimation of signal, quick quantification has a number of features for enhanced analysis, such as background subtraction, setting of a known standard, and gating within a range. Quick quantification is available for any single grayscale image, not multiplex captures, and will work with captured or saved images. Once an image has been analysed, the analysis will be available while Genesis is open and can be saved as part of the standard Secured Data File Format file, SUD. The Quick Quantification button is available on several screens including the Capture, Edit and View Images screen. To analyze an image, select the Quick Quantification button. The image will appear in the Quick Quantification screen. The results table appears below the image, the Calibration and Incidence tabs to the right of the image, and the tools to the left of the image. The image will be automatically detected as either fluorescence, white bands on a black background, or absorption, dark bands on a light background. If this setting is incorrect, it can be manually set by the user. To add shape outlines to the image, select one of the annotation shapes on the left-hand side. The choice of annotation shapes is ellipse, rectangle, or freehand. Once the shape has been selected, click and drag on the image to draw the shape. On release of the mouse button, the annotation will be drawn around the feature of interest. A result will appear in the table. By default, enabled result headers are raw volume, background, and calibration. A number of other result headers are available by pressing the Select Headers button. The add annotations are the same size and shape. Press the same size button, and then double-click on the centre of the area of interest to add the new annotation at that position. The drawing tools are disabled while the same size button is enabled. To return to the Draw Shape mode, select the box around a band and then select Same Size button again. To use background subtraction, the user can choose from None, Automatic or Manual. Automatic uses the lowest mean value pixels from an area immediately outside the user-defined outline. Manual, the user presses the Set Background button and draws a box in the area they deem to be representative of the background value. The mean pixel value in the box is used for the background subtraction. If the user has a standard or standards of a known quantity, for instance 100 nanograms of DNA, they set the standard. Other unknown quantities will be automatically calculated from a standard curve. The standard or standards will be marked on the image with a hatch pattern in the annotation. The calibration result in the table will be updated. And the calibration curve will update to show points and the standard curve. There are options to set a single standard value. The origin is used as a second point, multiple standards, and multiple standards through origin. To export your analysis as a report, you can do this in 3 ways. The first way is to print the report. The report can be tailored in the settings page of Genesis. The default settings are full report details, displayed results, incidence and quantity calibration. The second method is to export results. Pressing the Export Results button, will result in displayed results being saved as a CSV file. The third method is to copy results. There is a button above the results table labelled Copy Results. If the button is pressed with no rows selected in the results table, then all the results are copied to the clipboard in a CSV format. If one or more rows are selected, then when the Copy Results button is pressed, only these rows will be copied to the clipboard. To save the analysis as an STD file, which can be reopened in Genesis and analysed in GeneTools analysis software, click the Save icon. If you do open this image in GeneTools, please note that the quick quantification analysis will not be present in GeneTools. If user-defined outlines are drawn on an image, it is possible to save this set as an annotation file and reuse them on another image. Select the annotations icon to save annotations. The annotations are saved as a simple collection of shapes, so when importing a saved collection, although the background annotation is correctly identified, standards will not be recognised and will need to be reassigned.